I love Sacred Heart Greenwich because it provides me a focused learning environment with the all-girls aspect.
I really like that it's all girls because it's a lot less pressure coming to school, and I know that it's all positive energy.
I think the thing that stands out the most to me about all girls is it's really comfortable. In STEM classes, which Sacred Heart is pretty STEM heavy, we have a lot more participation than you would find in a co-ed school.
I think the teachers at Sacred Heart are so helpful.
They always welcome you to go and ask questions in the morning or whenever you have time so you can meet with them.
It's a smaller school and it's a more intimate school for a reason. And by utilizing everything around you in this environment, you are going to get the most holistic academic experience you can.
I chose to come to a Catholic school because I think that faith is really important to me.
It provides sort of like an empathetic value from when you're younger until, grade 12, and that's really welcoming.
I've always loved to sing, but I sing in a little more professional way than I've been used to. I think the arts are really important to Sacred Heart education because our education here is really about the whole person. We do a lot in the classroom and achieve a lot, but it's entirely different when you get to work as a team, on stage, or work as a team. Really different experience than collaborating in the classroom.
I think broadcast journalism is such a unique opportunity that Sacred Heart provides that a lot of other schools don't have.
From our heart to yours, thank you for watching Today from the Heart.
The sports are really competitive, and I was really interested in pursuing a high school career in lacrosse and soccer.
I think that our sports community is very rah-rah, and I really like that. We're at Sacred Heart versus GA, we always show up and we always like to really be loud.
Sacred Heart Greenwich is the place to be for people of all interests. It doesn't matter if you're interested in arts or broadcast, academics, sports. It's a place that really brings everyone together and allows for a great community between grades, teachers, students, and just everything. It's just a really great place to be.